Yeah, I wanna rap it. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shut selector boy.
Skillibeng is back. He just dropped his new album, Prodigy Non-Stop. Come on, man, gang. We gotta check this out. You already know what time it is, man. Yeah, man, the bang is back. Man, now we gotta check out the... He dropped a project called Prodigy Non-Stop. And he got, what, 23 tracks on it. But we're gonna check out the 2 videos that he dropped from the track. As you know, we're gonna do an album reaction later on today, gang. So look out for that. We're gonna go live and we're gonna do a reaction to the entire project. As you know, but first, you see what we're doing, man. We're gonna check out the first 2 videos on the track. As you know, the 2 visuals. As you know, the one named Kingston Drill. But I gotta get this out to you right away, man. The bang drop, man. I couldn't go to sleep for this, man. I was waiting up all night, drop late, but I work in the morning so I can do a full album reaction. So we're gonna do the video. Yeah, man, Skillibeng. Yeah, man, Mr. Universe himself, the Prodigy himself, just dropped, and we gonna react to it, man. First track I react to, the one of them Kingston Drill. Man, I ain't hold up my vibes much longer, gang. Come on, don't wake up. Yeah, man, let's get it. Skillibeng, Kingston Drill, let's get it, gang. Come on.
Is that? Yeah, man.
Black and white. Everybody in all black and dark come out of the phantom. Man, I come kill some. Come on.
We are on the main now, fear no pussy. Them boy, they are better for fear us. Man, dangerous, wake up. But then I'm a palm in the toothbrush, I pace up. Me gunfire just to be a cloud, be a smoke. Just put a pan panic here now. Them full of talk like radio, me clip full like it's a stage show, hello.
Come on, listen to the bang on my talk, come on.
Oh me, the most anticipated. Me gun active, I be a kill. 100 strap, must live by 80. Me and my gun run down on people.
So me, the most anticipated. Run down. Come on, man. Most anticipated, man. Like a dog, man. Visuals, they on a different level. Make
it race out quick. Them off for crown wheel. We have a play some bricks. They make my gun burn them like weed. Stampede.
We have a play some talk them silly.
Make my gun champion. One wheel with my gun palm me. That easy, but we don't have it. Badness we lead it constantly. A mini kill long, it don't mini like zig. They sell our way fire fantastic.
Constant. Badness we do it constantly. The mini kill long, you know.
Stick here and hang and kick. Be a gun in darkness, chop like chop type. Pussy them attack them badness online. How we walk with the 16 tile like a big tree broad like a one ply. Pussy them attack line and strike. Scope with the beam on the Philippines. We are roll out with the 15.
Man, them badness online. I arm to them.
In our life, shot in your mouth and a whipped cream. Yell and a full up on our head with carbine. So we cool and bad. We know you.
In your mouth and a whipped cream, boy. Yell and a fill up your head with carbine.
Use long shot in a pussy head. Bam bam. Pull off your boy. We will pull them head and lock you. We get captured. Head shot so the bullet them prosper. Load them a shot. Bullet them contacts. One tap beam and appear in a 1 car. 1,000 shots.
See that bang? It's a bang for them.
Yeah. We some alien with beer chip clock. Shoot them up like plane in land. Like a gal shot. Break him hard. I play with the badness. No fear no man. No pay no cab. Pay for some gunshot.
Fear no man, no pay no cab, but get it.
Man, no pay no cab, pay for some gunshot. Purchase be a big matic and be a big bam.
Pay for some gunshot, be a big matic and big bam, bang.
When we a fire shot, them asleep. Pussy dead asleep, wake up, bell a ring, heaven gate, well happy. No afraid of feeling in the head a sick, them a say me want look at therapy. Me gonna be in energy better. Well happy. No afraid of feeling in the head a sick, them a say me want look at therapy. Me gonna be
feeling in me head the head are sick, then say me need little therapy, dog. Come on, talk.
In energy, better chill when you see east side mafia step a street. Do not make talk, you never kill when you ease down pan boy, your head a split. Oh me, the most anticipated. Me gun active, I be a kill. 100 strap, must live by 80. Me
we dog there, you know dog there. Go on.
My gun run down pan people. Me and the clip race out quick. Them off for crown wheel. We have a play some bricks. Me make my gun burn them like weed. Stampede, me make my gun champion. One
gun burn them like weed. Come in.
With my gun palm me. That easy, but we don't have it. Badness we need it constantly. A mini kill long, it don't mini like zig. They sell our way fire fantastic.
You know mini like zinc, you know, boy. Know that. I'm Theo.
Sit here and hang and kick.
The mini key and no chopstick. You get a hang and kick, boy. Skillibeng is back, man. The prodigy, man. We gotta check out the dog. I deal with the dogs at Kingston jail. Coming with their own style, Kingston drill, easy. Gang, the bang is back, you know, man. The bang is back. We have to check it out and say that 23 tracks, crazy 990 dog jack that. Easy man, easy man. Yeah, man, dog, drop a project for we, man. You don't know a thing if you go, man. You don't know if you get in the lab, man. You see me? We got to react, and we got to review. And we got 23 tracks. That means we gotta have a festive time tonight. Okay? Yeah, man, big up the East Side boss, man. You see me? I say the East Side Mafia boss, man. You see me? I say one, Mr. Beng, you know, Skillibeng. Peace, you know, man. Mr. Bad every day. The one named Kingston Drill. Tear dog. Hey, man, say how we have a place, how we have a girl now. That's the dog I say. Most anticipated. Oh, the mini K, but the mini K now chalizing. Come on, dear man. Mr. Beng is back. Gang, you know one thing about the one in the comment section. If you like it, if you show the artist all of us, you know, say the dancing. And so I do with it. Now play with the thing, you know. As you know, I say. Also, gang, let me know what your favorite part was, beats, lyrics, melody, visuals, all that good stuff. That look like in England when you shot that one day, you know. Yeah, black, the glow here, players look gloomy. That dogs don't look like France or England. I don't know why. Let's give you an England vibe. But yeah, man, dog, you know, the bomber phantom. You see me, I say, I live like a boss. Hey, Skilly, dog, doing this thing, man. And tell you, Skilly is in a different tax bracket compared to some of them artists. You see me, I say, man, they're on a different level now, man. Man, it's out there. Yeah, man, Skillibeng. Let me know what I go on, gang. One thing about the one there, see me? Yeah, man, let's chop it up. Let's get a dialogue going, man. Y'all ready for the project? Y'all ready for the live? Get ready, you know, man. Because we gonna be lit, man. Yeah, man. So look out for it later on, gang. You don't know it. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.